this video, you will learn how to solve the next problem-solving strategy, solving word problems with systems of equations. The question reads, an online bookstore sells novels and magazines. Each novel sells for $4 and each magazine sells for $1. If Sadie purchased a total of 11 novels and magazines that have a combined selling price of $20, how many novels did she purchase? Now, I highlighted the fact that the novels sell for $4 and magazines sell for $1 in red because it relates to money, and the total selling price is also in dollars, so it also relates to money. However, the total number of novels and magazines does not relate to money, so that's going to be a separate relationship. Now, we know how much a novel and a magazine sell for, but what we don't know is how many novels and how many magazines there are. So we're going to define our variables, and you can change this depending upon the situation. I'm going to let n equal the number of novels sold and m equal the number of magazines sold. Now, if we write an equation for the part in red, it says novels sell for $4, so it's going to be 4 times the number of novels, and each magazine sells for $1. So it's going to be plus 1 times the number of magazines equals that total selling price of 20. The other equation says that a total of 11 novels and magazines were sold. So that means that the number of novels plus the number of magazines equals 11. Now, in this case, you could choose to solve with elimination or substitution. Each works out pretty nicely. In this case, I'm going to choose to solve with elimination. So if I multiply the second equation by a negative, my first equation will stay the same. So it's 4n plus m equals 20, and it becomes negative n minus m equals negative 11. Now when I add straight down, the m's cancel, so it becomes 3n equals 9, and divide both sides by 3 to get n equals 3. So there's 3 novels that were sold. Now to plug it back in and find the other variable, we have to plug this value of n into either of the original equations. So let's say I choose to plug it into the first one. I have 4 times n, which is 3, plus m equals 20. So I have 12 plus m equals 20. Subtract 12 from both sides to get that m equals 8. So there's 8 magazines that were sold. Now, the original question here says how many novels did she purchase? So our final answer is that value of n, which is the number of novels that were purchased.